Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold. Love is in your soul. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Banasa, Lord, yeah. Born as a warrior, make me keep on moving on. Born in Jamaica, we have to keep on moving on. Born as a hustler, we have to keep on carry on. Born as a...
Hey guys, so a quick introduction, I guess. So we're guys gonna go out today in town to get some groceries. Just a chill day. I haven't been able to come up with any videos for yesterday vlogs. So I'm just gonna do a quick mini vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna pursue doing vlogs, but I'm gonna see where this takes me. So come along with us in market or in town. Yeah. And also guys, I've been experiencing some things with my college, so that's why I haven't been able to upload yesterday. So until then, yeah, join us. Oh yes, mommy. Tash, tell me what you have on, what outfit you have on today. We're not stand up, get up. Yeah, we go to the door. Come now, go back little. Yeah, so Tash, what you have on today?
A simple outfit, a pants, a black pants with a black slippers and a clear shirt, and that's it.
Okay. Oh, no. Alright then.
Keep on moving on. Born as a hustler, we have to keep on carry on. Born as a warrior, we keep on moving on. We there, the youths them got to survive. We there, you got to keep me family alive. We there, we burn down them war and strive. Tell the youths them say them feel live right. We there, the poor want to live it. We there, the client we feel it. We there, we will want more vitamin. We there now. Born as a warrior, you make me keep on moving on. Born in Jamaica, we have to keep on moving on. Born as a hustler, we have to keep on carry on. Born as a warrior, make we keep on moving on. They must think and so it a go. We run them parties and stage show. We bless up all the real hustler. Bless up all the youths and we a real juggler. Bless up all the youths and we a real hustler. Bless up all the youths and we a real life giver. Bless up all the youths and we a hard worker. Bless up all the youths and we a real trendsetter. Born as a warrior, make me keep on moving on. Born in Jamaica, we have to keep on moving on. Born as a hustler, we have to keep on carry on. Born as a warrior, we make we keep on moving on. The youth them say they want love for sure. The youth them say they want food for sure. The youth them say they want help for sure. So we they and so we bless it up more and more. All over the world the people keep hustling. Juggling this and must be keep juggling. Food and food so we keep surviving. Righteousness is the thing here. Born as a warrior, make me keep on moving on. Born in Jamaica, we have to keep on moving on. Born as a hustler, we have to keep on carry on. Born as a warrior, we keep on moving on. We there, the youths them got to survive. We there, you got to keep me family alive. We there, we burn down them war and strive. Tell the youths them say them feel live right. We there, the poor want upliftment. We there, the people tired to bear it. We there, we will want more vitamin. We there now. Born as a warrior, make me keep on moving on. Born in Jamaica, we have to keep on moving on. Born as a hustler, we have to keep on carry on.
So you can't use that one then? Yeah? What's that in there? Oh. Let's show you guys. So, yeah, this smells so sweet. That's all. Girly. Truffles! Truffles! Run feet, get up! Lazy monk. Come. Get up. If you guys can see that. So if you guys heard my mom before, she was doing callaloo and okra, breadfruit, boiled breadfruit, white rice, and yeah, that's about it. And I had something here. I don't want to say what I had because you guys might not like the mixture, but yeah, I'm gonna get heated.
Keep on moving on. Born as a hustler, we have to keep on carry on. Born as a warrior, make we keep on moving on. Today, the youths them got to survive. Today, you got to keep my family alive. Today, we burn down them war and strive. The youths them said them feel live right. Today, the poor want to uplift me. Today, the people tired, the parents.
It's like a mini mukbang series. What do you do in mukbang talk? I mean,
make we keep on moving on. They must think and so it a go. We run them parties and say show. We bless up all the real hustler.